Hello everybody, it's Kayla from the Waconia Center. I'm just here to walk you through our Father's Day activity. So here are the materials that you'll find in your activity bag. You'll have 3 sheets of paper, orange, blue, and white, 1 cotton ball, string, 2 googly eyes, 1 popsicle stick. So those are all the materials. You will have to collect a scissors, marker, and a glue stick. So let's get started. First, what you're gonna do is you're gonna start with your white piece of paper. This is gonna be your base where you put all of your materials on. Secondly, we're gonna take our blue piece of paper and we're gonna cut along here, right in the middle, and make our waves. So I pre-cut ours into our blue waves. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take our glue stick, glue the back of it, and put it on our white piece of paper. All right, so there's your first step. Now you have your water. Secondly, we're gonna take our orange piece of paper and fold it in half. We're gonna grab a friend and we're gonna trace their handprint. All right, so when you're tracing their hand, you want to make sure that you're tracing it with the fold side down. Thank you. Just like so. Then you're going to take this and you're going to cut out the handprint. And I have one already pre-cut out. So once it's cut out, it'll look like this, where you can open it up. Perfect. All right, so I'm gonna take my hand and I'm gonna glue it onto my water. So we're gonna have it in the water as if it's a fish. So now it looks like I have a fish swimming in the water. Our next step is to open up our fish hands and we're gonna write Happy Father's Day. That's where the marker comes into play. Close it, and now we need to make our fishing pole. So you're gonna take your popsicle stick and your string, and you're gonna take one end and you're gonna tie it to the top of your fishing pole, which will end up looking like this. Then you're going to place this up at the top of your page and then position the string right underneath to make it look like your fishing pole caught the fish. So I'm gluing down one piece of the string and closing the fish back up. And then I'm going to glue my popsicle stick up at the top of the page. So it'll look like that. The next step is to put on our googly eyes onto our fish. So I'm going to put glue on the back of the googly eyes and place them on my fish. Just like that. And now I'm going to give my fish a smiley face. So now he's a happy fish. And then now what we're gonna do is take our cotton ball and make some bubbles coming from the fish's mouth. So with the 1 cotton ball that you have, you can break it apart into 3 smaller pieces. So now we have our 3 bubbles. So now I'm going to take my glue stick and put some on the blue paper. And I'm going to make 3 bubbles from our fish. So it looks like this. So now we have our fish in the water. So the last step to do is to write hooked on daddy up at the top. All right, and here we have our finished Hooked on Daddy Father's Day art project. Open up your fish and it says Happy Father's Day. So this is a great activity that you can do at home with your child to celebrate Father's Day. Make sure to send us your pictures of your finished product. Happy Father's Day.